What are locusts? How do they attack? When do they attack? When do they breed? Are they harmful to human beings? What are the preventive measures at residence? What chemicals can be used? What is it called in Hindi? These and many other questions about locusts would be answered in this video, so stick around to this video and let's meet after a short break. So friends, welcome back to Dr. Sunil's educational channel, where you get to know natural precautionary updates for health. So if you've not yet subscribed, click the red color subscribe button below and with bell notifications always on enabled, so the next important update from this channel you won't miss. Coming back to this topic, what are actually locusts? We have heard a lot from news and even from YouTube. You may get a lot of videos. What are locusts? So locusts are actually grasshoppers which, when they come in contact with each other in large groups, their serotonin levels increase and they morph, and that morphing converts them into locusts. Now coming to next question, how are locusts harmful? Locusts, they damage the crops, the vegetations and the grasses which they come in contact with, and therefore it damages mainly the foodstuffs, the crops and agricultural products. Next question, how do they harm the human beings? Well, locusts, as much scientific evidence is available, locusts do not harm the human beings. But if a human tries to fend off or attack in defense, then the locust may pinch or nibble on the skin as the defensive measure of the locust. And coming to next question, what preventive measures can be taken at residence? Well, you can close the doors at the night, because usually locusts commonly can reach inside in the night. So all the doors and windows should be closed in the night, and thus you can prevent locusts from entering inside the house. Now, what are the chemicals or sprays available to treat locust? So these chemicals and sprays depend upon the local authority. So you have to find out from your local authority which chemical is approved. Accordingly, that chemical has to be used. Now, how do these chemicals act? These chemicals, they damage the exoskeleton of the locusts and thus prevent them from growing, and thus these chemicals help to prevent or to treat this locust from attacking the human beings. What are the other procedures or chemicals available? Other procedure is that the fungus Metarhizium is known to reduce the moisture and prevent nutrients to the locust, and thus it prevents the locust from growing, and thus Metarhizium fungus is also used as a preventive or treatment measure.